Hi guys, this is 145B Volvo, the very superior equipment for the Pakistan market, and you are seeing this work is very fine and very in short range work between the residential area because it's a wheelbase excavator. You know, this excavator is very famous in Pakistan market and used in streets and short work. So you can see excavator work load the mud into the dumper, and dumper also stay for the complete of loading. You can see this bucket is too small but is suitable for this position and can get short work complete in their specific time. This is very suitable machine for this market because we have roads and residential area, so we can't afford the chain excavator here. And also, you know, chain excavator use in mountain areas. It's Pakistan Karachi area is maximum based on residential area. Its working is too good, movement is too good. Also, the driver is too experienced person. Maximum the Pathan nation also operate this equipment properly, and then Punjabis. Its working is so good and so beautiful work here. You can see their bucket. We are also searched with this equipment in the world also because Pakistani market anytime to buy this equipment, so my subscribers can contact me regarding if they have any good condition equipment, so please message me or comments me in my inbox. Yeah, this working is too much pretty, too much. Yes. I also check this equipment room is so air conditioned room. Also is very wide room. Also driver or operator can feel easy. No any problem to work for the long time. So you can see his work is very fine. After complete their work, move for the next target. You can see now it will be pick up next project. Thank you guys, you watch my video. I hope you will like it, and I will give you more like this.